Hello everyone, in this issue we will learn to crochet the head of a small strawberry bear. Start crocheting the head. Loop 6 short stitches. Mark the buckle.
Just you and I. Eternity never dies. Shooting stars across the blue, whisper secrets only we knew. Universe bending the truth forever.
Pull out the stimulation needle. Second round, do additional stitches.
So bright, with stars that kissed the night. Your love was all inside, giving me endless flight. In a galaxy of us two, nothing can break this view. Your touch is silver clue, guiding me through and through. Dreamscape loud in the sky, you and me way up high.
Stand up and start the third round. A short needle. 1 plus needle. Repeat loop, sets for 1 set. Stand up and start the fourth round. 2 short stitches and 1 additional stitch.
Woke up in a dream so bright, with stars that kissed the night. Your love was all in sight.
Repeat loop, sets for 1 set.
A galaxy of us two, nothing can break this view. Your touch is silver clue, guiding me through and through. Dreamscape loud in the sky, you and me way up high. No limits, just you and I. Eternity never dies.
Then the 5th lap. 3 short needles. 1 additional needle as a group. Repeat loop sets.
Woke up in a dream so bright, with stars that kissed the night. Your love was all in sight.
Stand up needle start, lap 6. 4 short stitches and 1 additional stitch from a group. Repeat loop sets.
Stars across the blue, whisper secrets only we knew. Universe bending the truth forever in a loop.
The 7th circle. 36 short stitches without decreasing. Stand up and start the 8th round. 5 short needles.
Woke up in a dream so bright, with stars that kissed the night. Your love was
1 plus needle. Repeat loop, sets for 1 set.
Galaxy of us two, nothing can break this view. Your touch is silver clue, guiding me through.
Pull out. Standing needle. Then the 9th to 12th round. 42 short stitches without addition or subtraction. Then the 13th round. Hook 12 short stitches. Then 1 short stitch and 1 additional stitch. Repeat this 3 times. Then 6 short stitches. Then add a needle, a short needle. For a group, repeat 3 times. Then hook 12 short stitches. Pull out. Stand up and start the 14th round. (14 to 17 rounds). 48 short stitches without adding or subtracting. This is what it looks like after 17 rounds of hooking. Then stand up the needle, the first 18th round. First crochet 12 short stitches. Then a short stitch. 1 reduction stitch. Repeat 3 times. Connect 6 short pins.
Woke up in a dream so bright, with stars that kissed the night. Your love was all in sight.
1 reduction stitch. A short needle. Repeat 3 times. Reduce stitches. Short needle. Then 12 short stitches.
Shooting stars across the blue, whisper secrets only we knew. Universe bending the truth, forever in the loop.
This is lap 19. Hook 42 short stitches without adding or subtracting.
Woke up in a dream so bright, with stars that kissed the night. Your love was all in sight, giving me endless flight in a galaxy.
Standing needle.
Nothing can break this view. Your touch a silver clue, guiding me through.
Lap 20. 5 short stitches and 1 decreased stitch. Repeat loop sets.
You and me way up high.
5 short needles.
And I
1 reduction stitch.
turn it and never dies.
Repeat 6 times.
Shooting stars across the blue, whisper secrets only we knew. Universe bending the truth, forever in the loop.
21 laps. 4 short needles. 1 decreased stitch is a group. Repeat loop sets. 1, 2, 3. Fourth, reduce stitches.
Galaxy of us two, nothing can break this view. Your touch is
Repeat 6 times.
guiding me through and through. Dreamscape aloud in the sky. You and me way up high. Live is just you and I. Turn it and never dies. Shooting stars
Round 22. 3 short stitches. 3 short needles. 1 reduction stitch. For a group. Repeat loop sets. Pull out. Leave about 20 mm of thread for suture. Its head looks like this after it is hooked. You can stuff it with stuffing cotton.